I want to have a look at provenance, because we were looking at supply chain, and so what does it look like at the front end? Not at the blockchain end, but what does it look like at the front end? This is a website, by the way. And I focused on this is what it looks for non-profits, for NGOs. I'm kind of interested in this company. They are one of the earliest, the first companies who tried to actually use that blockchain technology to create supply chain transparency. So provenance reinforces the work of NGOs, auditors, award bodies, and sustainability. Oh, actually, sorry, we didn't answer your question. You had a very interesting question. You asked the question, what is the biggest problem with this? What is the biggest problem with this, according to you?
They cannot, big data is so huge. They
no, I don't
cannot
think that's the problem.
handle it.
I think that is not the problem.
No, world cannot handle it.
Well,
I told you, sort. Cannot sort it.
like you can.
No,
Yeah, of course.
no, billion data cannot do that.
You can do that.
Why?
Because data mining, we are capable of doing it right now.
No.
Yeah, of course we can.
Okay, I tell you. China decided, okay, our country, we're going to be IT country, and we're going to IoT, and every equipment they're going to put on that data. At that time, it's uncountable data.
Understand? Of course you can do it. Basically, you can just isolate, find everything that belongs to this product, and this is okay. This looks like they're all separate record, but they're just sitting inside one record. So basically, you can just sort on, or you can make a selection on this product or for this range, and then you can sort it. I mean, you don't have to sort everything. You just have to sort what you're looking for. So basically, you make a selection and then you sort.
In some cases, you need to sort everything.
Like why?
By country.
Why?
It's the government need to.
That doesn't make any sense, because then what you get, it's not interpretable.
I know that I went to China this time. Reason why? This company software is 500 times quicker than normal sort.
Oh.
That's the reason I went there to sell Japanese product to Chinese company. 500 times quicker.
So they don't use indexes? What do?
They don't use index. And they don't tell me the truth, but they have some information behind each data. They should have already sorted before sorting. So they can pick up the data as soon as
so they pre-sort data and
exactly,
they store it.
Yeah, this is my guess, but this is just the only way to do that. And what kind of problem currently China has is, okay, there's government-wide, every kind of data, the big data, but they cannot sort.
Well, that's actually a very interesting thing you just said. They didn't tell you the truth.
Why? What?
The company that you represented in China.
So I told them, my friend is a big company owner, okay, Chinese.
Right.
You need to sell to Shanghai government first. And Shanghai government, they have planning like blockchain, everything. Blockchain is most advanced China. Okay, they seriously consider for that. Everything blockchain.
Yeah.
They already no money. Next step is blockchain. Then they're going to control the people in Shanghai city and 30 million people. And they try 30 million to 10, 20, 30 billion data need to be sorted to control those people. But no tool. Okay, they need to do that every other week or every day, need to make a sort to get the information. They cannot wait a week. They cannot wait. So this is, I told them, the very big opportunity to sell this sort tool to Chinese government. Or Huawei, or for a big company or IT company, you can sell it. I told you.
But would you really want to sort everything?
Yeah, it's the current world. The most difficulty is sort. They cannot sort. They cannot. Like is Microsoft using this company sort system, which is not acceptance. Many companies using the same technology, but
Yeah. So like relational databases with IDs and basically you select your subset and then you start sorting. That's how I would do it. But
yeah, I believe this is very good too, and that's the reason why 3 times I went to the States, China, try to sell it. This is very good too. But many companies use the same technology, but they are not recognized violating patent. But actually, every Chinese company violating patent. This is already got patent. So I told them they got a lot of money.
But this company, does it have a patent?
How? That's the reason why they try to sell. Already they have it. Okay, this is you need to pay that money for them.
Right.
But this is not sue. It's kind of just this is patent.
Because
so
once it's a patent, that means that it's basically the technology is known because
it's not expensive. Just is 1 million, 2 million. So this is not expensive. So just you use it, okay, you pay money.
As a service.
Exactly. So this is what I'm involved in this kind of business. This kind of blockchain system is also this. My friend told me. Currently, their concern is quantum computer and blockchain. This is Chinese government very keen about this. They already decided to use this. Okay, not like Japan. They go. So this is a computer capacity. They very much impact for them. Don't care. Just try to put money on it, improve the computer quality, and then implement blockchain. Tremendous benefit for them, right? The government. And many people try to save tax, but if you implement blockchain, you cannot escape tax, right?
But if you say then that's absolutely true. But if it's true what you say, that they are basically replicating data and use indexed, standardized sorting mechanisms, then the user will find out very quickly. And
that's the reason why I asked how many digits do this hash has. 50 digits. Okay, this is 50 digits. They need additional 20 bits for sort key. Okay, this only the hashtag is not enough to control the managing data.
So this is the hash now.
Right?
This is the hash.
It's not enough to control only this digit. Okay, I understand. But this, I tell you, this one is Chinese government try to implement this blockchain. This I understand this one because of so long characters, so long figures. This is the reason why they no.
Yeah, you need to revert that back to the contents of the actual block. So this is what's inside.
This hashtag is unique by each transaction, right?
Yes.
So it means this is going to be the QC code. QR code.
Yeah.
So QR code is unique identified. Okay, what is this? Just immediately, this is fake.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
This one we can close. Okay, provenance we were looking at. All right. So here we have, for example, certification marks. So what this will enable you to do is that you will be able to open your smartphone inside the shop before you buy something. You can track and trace where this in this case, this smoked bacon come from. How was it certified? Trace back where your product comes from before you buy it. Right there in the supermarket, and this is super important because there will be more and more fair trade brands because it sells, it goes mainstream. It has been shown in the Netherlands that this works. People are willing to pay premium prices as long as they can trust what you promise them. Well, blockchain technology will make it possible to actually communicate this trust to your to the consumers, who in response can be sure that they're buying what they are being promised. and that will actually make it much easier for for supply chains to become transparent and people.
はい、皆さんこんにちは、雲野です。今日はですね、雲野塾の研修のプログラムをご紹介したいと思います。で、こういうふうなホームページありますけれども、ぜひですね、一度中身をご覧になっていただきたいと思います。今日はブーキューブさんのスタジオに来て、この収録をしておりますので、中身はこういうふうになってて、今最近ホットなね、グローバルリーダーの定義など書いてあります。で、特に経団連が作成しました留学すれば英語ができて専門性を持つというだけではですね、グローバルリーダーになれないとここに書いてありますようにですね、仕事ができる、専門性を持つ、英語ができるだけじゃなくてですね、私どもの塾ではリベラルアースということと、それからもう一つは孫子の平和、さらにはですね、日本の歴史というものを合わせて教えることによって皆さんが海外の欧米の方々と、もしくは華僑圏の方々と正々堂々と渡り合えるような人物を育成しようというふうなことを考えています。ここに次のスライドが出ておりますけれども、ここに書いてありますのはですね、さらに、私どもの雲野塾の中身につきましてはですね、欧米の資料しか使っておりません。また実際に雲野塾は英語でやっておりますので、英語の講師がこう話しておりますけど、学習はですね、日本の歴史をまだ教えてますので、学習の午後はですね、日本のプログラムをしております。で、以前はこれ有料だったので、今はですね、実際に会場費も取っていただいておりませんで、毎回5000円ということで、朝9時から午後5時までやっておりますので、ぜひ皆さんですね、ご検討の上ご参加いただければと。英語のできない方もですね、学習の午後こういうふうな研修をしておりますので、ぜひご参加いただければというふうに思っておりますので、よろしくお願いします。で、ここにさらにですね、グループ討議とか実務の勘どころを教えるって書いてありますけど、実際には私が10年ほどですね、欧米の新聞とか雑誌等をですね、集めてきた、もともと英語のベースでございますので、そうしたものをですね、50セッションのテーマに分けて資料作成をしております。そういうことで、世界のオペレーション、もしくはカントリーリスクも含めてですね、しかも世界のトップの方々に対してもいろいろな分析とか洞察をしてですね、議論をしております。そういったことも含めてですね、今後ともよろしくお願いしたいと思います。以上で私の挨拶を終えますが、今回のこのビデオの収録にあたってはですね、V キューブさんのスタジオをお借りしてですね、お時間を頂戴して、このビデオを作成させていただきました。よろしくお願いします。どうもありがとうございました。